I go through and touch up the tail.
Oh, did you put silver, you mean?
The silver on the tail and then this too, because it's started flaking. Yeah. It's gonna stay bright for a while though. Don't forget this battery out here, Brandon.
If we on Saturday, I can definitely stay full day.
Yeah, but I don't know if I can. Well, maybe I can. Okay, maybe I can. Maybe I can. We'll see.
Let's do it, because that way we get Bob's food, we stay all fucking day. Oh, I don't give a fuck. like that kind of day.
Okay.
I don't
Okay.
give a fuck. Because Sunday I just get home and then chill.
Right.
And Diana's not gonna say, "Ooh, it's fucking day," because like you have all of fucking Sunday. I want to hear it.
Right. Oh, and okay. No, I get it. Okay, makes sense because, yeah, I got it. Maybe we will. If you will, I will.
I will. Like I'm
Okay.
good.
Okay.
I'm good.
If you give me a reason, I got a reason, I'll do it. And Bob's food is a damn good reason too, because that food
so
is
I'm not even
bomb.
by myself.
No, you too. I'm just saying it's adding to it.
Alright,
Go.
let's go.
Go. I'm right behind you.
Woo!
Channel cleared.
Woo, baby!
Baby! Oh,
popping.
yeah!
It's popping.
You're such kids.
We're dorks, man. Go.
And flip it.
What was that? The air did something weird right there. Okay.
Oh, that's good.
The burners make it, dude.
Yeah, the burners look pretty awesome.
Whatever. I'm down for whatever.
Is this my hobby star or who's this?
I think it's got to be yours. Whoa, what was that?
Dude, this does that.
That spin?
Afro real good.
Yeah. When you wanted to or no?
Oh yeah, I'm buying a fucking afterburner from you guys.
Look, you see it?
Hell yeah, do I see it?
Well, when
where
it's
is
when there's a fog, it
Look at
looks
that,
even
even
better.
from the front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When there's fog, you can see it even better.
Oh dude, it's foggy every day at my house.
This is Frank's. This is the one Frank did.
Modification off of
I don't even know where you are.
Yeah, they're not as fast as the 16, huh?
No,
A little slower.
a little bit slower.
It's a bit different, I think.
But I don't think that initially they're as fast. But I think they're faster once they catch up. Get up to speed. Because this thing will keep up with the F4.
They just seem kind of like a
They're draggier, yeah.
draggier, yeah. You can hear it.
They make a cool sound when they go
They
fast.
do, exactly.
So I'm just gonna leave.
Drag always sounds good. Huh?
I'm leaving the power on. I'm just gonna dive.
Look at that. Look how real it looks up there.
Yeah. Power's still on. This is I've been full power the whole time.
Nice. Yeah, it's just a draggy frame, but it sounds awesome.
Yeah.
I think I should put a burner in the 70 Viper.
I think it would look cool.
Because the Bayhawk, you don't need it. It's
No.
only got lights. I kind of want it in the one that don't have no lights, you know what I mean?
Right. Add that extra to it.
Yeah, then you don't need shit. They're hella pop. Are they real light too?
Yeah. It didn't change anything.
Nice.
So I'm gonna do a couple touch and goes.
I do like this more than the 16 for sure.
It's got more character.
Yeah.
And it flies heavier.
Yeah, which I like.
I'm gonna do a touch and go, and then that looks pretty cool on with the burners.
It was so funny before I flew the Viper here. I'm glad I brought it. I thought the 39 was so much better, but I'm not so certain of that now. Nice, dude.
It actually kind of hurts your eyes.
Yeah, oh yeah. Look straight at it.
Dude, and the touch and go is
They're fun with this plane. I'll come behind you.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
We hit it at the same time. Gear down, landing flaps.
Flaps up. Gear up.
It's the most fun when you can keep the nose wheel off.
yeah.
Do you have the same one I do in yours?
The afterburner?
Yeah.
The only difference is that I'm not using Rand's
Board?
regulator that he's
Okay.
using. I have a different setup, but
Okay.
the LED.
Okay.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Whoa, what was that? It came on before I hit.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it came on before I even moved it. I mean, I don't care. It looked cool, but
Maybe you when in turning your rudder, you moved it
I might have.
up.
Might have. See, I'm glad you finally got one.
Yeah, so the only difference between you and me is that I have this swivel cube set up in here that does the regulation for the light.
Okay.
That's it.
Whoa, look at the lights on that thing.
Yeah, I know, that's not one of